The Western Ghats, a mountain range running parallel to the west coast of India and one of the 36 biodiversity hotspots of the world, presents a fascinating ecological contrast between its two slopes. And this contrast is one of its most defining characteristics and a major reason why the range is recognized as a global biodiversity hotspot. The fundamental reason for this stark difference lies in the interaction between the southwest monsoon winds and the mountain range, leading to orographic effect and the subsequent rain shadow effect. Let me put it in a simple way. The Western Ghats indeed act as a significant climatic wall leading to different vegetation types on its western and eastern slopes. When moisture-laden winds from the Arabian Sea approaches the western coast of India, they encounter towering mountain barriers of Western Ghats and they are forced to rise up the slopes. As the air rises, it cools and the moisture within it condenses, leading to exceptionally heavy rainfall on the western slopes. This is known as orographic rainfall. This results in warm and humid climate throughout the year. This abundant rainfall and humidity supports tropical evergreen forests on the western slope of Western Ghats, which are characterized by dense multi-layered canopy, tall trees with thick trunks which do not shed all their leaves at once, maintaining a green appearance throughout the year. At higher elevations in southern Western Ghats, unique montane evergreen forest known as Shola forest are found. The western slopes, particularly its southern parts, are known for their exceptionally high biodiversity and endemism, making the Western Ghats a recognized biodiversity hotspot. Now coming back to monsoon winds. After crossing the peaks of Western Ghats, the air descends on the eastern side towards the Deccan Plateau. As they descend, the air warms and its capacity to hold moisture increases, leading to a significant reduction in humidity and rainfall, and the eastern slope experiences a more pronounced dry season. This phenomena is known as the rain shadow effect. That's why the vegetation of eastern slopes are characterized by tropical semi-evergreen forest, tropical moist deciduous forest, and tropical dry deciduous forest. This ecological gradient between western and eastern slope is one of the most remarkable features of Western Ghats. This stark contrast in vegetation is a vivid demonstration of how topography and climate, particularly rainfall, are fundamental drivers of ecological diversity and distribution.